What's up guys, it's me Kavish and I'm a YouTuber. I'm 11 years old and today I'm gonna make a video about 10 OP places in superhero training simulator that of physic, fist and PD that you can train at. Before we start the video, click the subscribe button, leave a like on this video and ring the notification bell so that you never miss another video. Okay guys, let's start the video. So if you guys support me, so I will do this more often. Please support me. My name is Dragon MK203 in Roblox. If you want to friend me, or if you write in the comments subscribe me, I will definitely subscribe to your channel. Now before wasting time, let's start the video. If my screen is a little laggy or broken, please pardon me. It is a stone. First OP place. We train 5k fists, so that's a lot. And if we train without the stone, it's 5 and 2. Now let's go to the city port. First OP place to train PD is this thing. It requires 100 plus PD. Second OP place is this thing. Let's move on to the next place. The crystal. Blue star. It's the 100 billion plus star. It's green in color and very bright. I cannot train it, guys, sorry. Fifth most OP place is the red star, the great giant star. Now, the first OP place to train physics is this. Just have to fly and then press 3 and you will gain more physics. Second physics place is the million zen place. It's right below me. Second most place is the beaver physics place. Third most place is the tree physics place. And fourth most place is the cube physics place. Right here. It's above those leaderboards. Third most OPS place to train PD is the ice mountains. If you hear the ball bouncing sound, sorry, but my brother is making it. Okay, my brother is making it. Sorry. This is the place. Cool. Fourth most OP place is a tornado. Here, right here. Sixth most OP place is the volcano. Seventh most OP place is Devil's Lair. Here. The eighth most OP place is the 100 billion plus BD place. Here. And sixth most OP place is the 10 trillion plus BD place. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Bye.